Today, we're adding a slick pulsing text animation, the heartbeat pulse effect. This one's perfect if you want your text to grab attention with a steady eye-catching rhythm. Let's get started. First, tap on text, type in your message and style it however you like. Change the font, color, alignment, anything that fits your video. Now, tap on Animate at the bottom and switch to the Loop tab. From here, scroll and choose Heartbeat Pulse. Once you select it, you'll notice two sliders. The duration slider controls how long the pulse animation lasts each time. The pause slider sets how much time is in between each pulse. So if you want a fast, frequent pulse, make the pause short. If you want a longer, more dramatic beat, increase the pause. Adjust both sliders until you get the perfect vibe for your video. Then tap the check mark to apply. And that's it. You've just added a professional looking pulsing text animation in InShot with full control over timing. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tricks.